Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display you're getting an E64 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get it fixed. Now first of all, what this error is that there is the dryer is detecting that there is an open circuit on the heating element. So there's kind of a two-step process here. The first one is just to access the heating element between the heating element and the control board and just check all of that wiring and make sure that there is nothing disconnected in terms of that wiring. And it could even just be something loose or something damaged or something like that. And so there is not proper electrical circulation. Now, if that's not it, the next thing to do would be to actually replace the heating element. And if you get to that point where you want to replace the heating element, I'll put that, that's sort of a separate piece of information, and I'll put a link in the description to a tutorial on how to actually replace the heating element in the dryer.